Hello, I am here today to share some terrific news about the expansion of learning paths in the On Ramp program. Have you ever wished that On Ramp had different types of learning paths that would meet the learner where they are in terms of their experience? Well, we're excited to announce the addition of 2 new learning paths that are designed to meet the learner where they are. One path is for those participants with KP experience and who are new to a market-facing role, and the second learning path is for those with lots of industry experience and are new to KP. These new learning paths were created as a result of feedback that we have received about our program, as well as close collaboration with the National Sales Effectiveness Practice Leaders. I have one more important announcement about the On Ramp program expansion in 2022 before I let you go. We are happy to announce that we are in the process of developing a new learning path for large group associate account managers. We just completed the prototype and are currently preparing to move into the pilot phase this May. The new AAM learning path will be rolled out enterprise-wide in Q4 of this year. To learn more about On the On Ramp program and the new expanded learning paths that we are now offering, please click on the link in this email.